Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update the Nvidia drivers for Windows 10, of course. So if you're using a VGA video graphic card that Nvidia provide, you can use the GeForce drivers. Here you can automatically drive updates here. GeForce Experience automatically notifies you of new driver release from Nvidia. With a single click, you can update the driver directly without leaving your desktop. This one. Or you can manually driver search. For example, if you have a GeForce product series, the RTX 40 series, and the product, for example, the RTX 40 CCTI, and operating system Windows 10 64-bit, language US, and download all, and then start search here. So you have to download it first. This is the latest driver that you can get. Thursday, June 27, 2024. You can get download now. So the file size is 659 megabyte. So you can download now and install the driver and follow the guide there when you are finish the download. So I hope this tutorial helpful. The GeForce Game Ready driver, the newest version, I think is most stable driver out there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.